Here's a look at the market through the eyes of eMiniDayTrader. We always like to start off here with our market profiles. This is today's market and volume profile, and this is what we had yesterday. The one in the red square here is the overnight action. Now we were mentioning yesterday that we were looking at an area of around 37 to 38 to act as resistance, and around 27 to 28 to act as support. The market dipped in there, as we know, yesterday. It didn't quite make it down there today. It did use this early in the day. This is, by the way, this line right here, there's the top of it right there, and this is the bottom of it right here. That's the range for the first hour of trading. So you can see the first hour of trading had a low down here and a high up here, low down here. So it held within that sort of containment area for about the first half of the day, first third of the day or so. And then once it broke above our resistance area, our next target was 44.50. The market reached 45.50. So nice to see it hold above here and then have a good move higher. So now our area of immediate containment would be approximately 38 up to the 44.50 area. So this is really what we're looking at tomorrow. Should it hold above or below, it'll have another move down or up depending on what it does. Obviously the market is still in more of a bullish mode than bearish. Here's the profiles taken just to the regular trading hours only, and we also use them to help us gain a better understanding of the condition of the market on a day-to-day basis. Here's our chart that we look at throughout the day. We look at other charts as well, but this is the main one because we have our eMiniDayTrader software being used in this. So we did not have any indication as far as a system trade in the down and the up mode, although we did have a nice long entry right here, which had a real nice rally to it. We actually had a couple of reasons to get long here, so that had a nice move higher. We had another indication to get long here. So the other thing that came into play was that we had another indication to get long here, although it wasn't one of our system trades, and that had a nice bounce as well. So we actually only ended up with one system trade here, and then a second here, although the second one, not all of our traders would have taken it. The first one did work out nicely, though. It moved 2.25 points in our favor and a nice 1.25 point profit on the final 1/4 of our position after reaching our first two objectives. Most of our traders would have combined them and ended up with a result of 2.25 points on the final 1/4 of the position on that trade. So in other words, our basic protocol calls for 4 contracts, but certainly not all of our traders do that. Some use obviously a lot more than that, but on the basic 4 contract formula, we would go for 3/4 of a point on the first half of the position, so that was 1.5 points there, and then 1.5 points on the third contract, or 1/4 of the position at our second objective. So you add the 1.5 and the 1.5, you get 3 points there, and then another 2.25, so a little over 5.25 points today on that one trade. So that's what we ended up by having here today. And as I say, our up option is intact, and that's the areas of immediate support and resistance that we're looking at. And then of course tomorrow we want to watch for the early news. So that's a quick look at the market. Any questions or comments, please get a hold of us at info@eMiniDayTrader.com. We'd always love to hear your comments and questions. So that'll be it for today, and thanks for taking the time to view the video, and we'll see you again tomorrow.